In today's video, I am sharing a pattern sale with you all. Now, this pattern sale will have 2 end dates. So I will make sure I announce each sales date before I give you all what patterns are on sale along with their prices. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back, fam. This is your first time clicking on my video. You haven't already done so. I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls. Thrift hauls, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scenes, and my latest video that I have on my channel, which is what a sewist does outside of her craft room. What I do on the weekend, sometimes daily basis, if I get an opportunity to go fishing, is relax by our pond and just catch some fish with my husband. I enjoy doing that. I enjoy fishing. And also, if you're interested in seeing what I got working on in my craft room behind the scenes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my sewing content or any of my pattern of fabric sales announcement. Whenever there's a pattern of fabric sale and I get information out to you all in time, your girl will share the information here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like. All right, everyone, and welcome new subscribers to the channel. I am so glad that you all decided to join the fam. Thank you all so much for returning to watch another video. Thank y'all once again for the love and support, everyone, by liking my videos, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and returning once again to watch another video with your girl, Denise. In today's video, I am sharing a pattern sale with you all. Now, this pattern sale will have 2 end dates. So I will make sure I announce each sales date before I give you all what patterns are on sale along with their prices. So let's go ahead and get into it. Up first, location is simplicity.com. What's on sale? What's the sales date you say? Well, the first sales date is, this sale date is happening now all the way through June 30th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EDT time to get in on this sale. Now, what patterns are on sale? I'm going to tell you all. Guess what, y'all? Craft and accessory patterns are on sale now. You have until June 30th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. EDT time to get your craft and accessory patterns. So let's go with the second pattern sale. Second pattern sale, same location. It's just simplicity.com. What are the sale dates? The sale dates are now through Thursday, June 11th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EDT time to get in on this sale. What patterns are on sale? These are all for my vintage girls. If you love a good vintage pattern, you've been waiting on a pattern sale to purchase some, here's your chance. All right, Simplicity, McCall, Butterick, vintage patterns are $5.99 each. Vogue vintage patterns are $7.99 each. Now, what else is on sale at this particular moment? Well, clearance patterns are $4. Once again, the clearance patterns are $4. New look patterns every day are $5.99. Now, do you remember not long ago when new look patterns were a lot cheaper than $5.99? I know I do. I know I do. Still thankful to have the opportunity, but however, I just remember those patterns being a lot less than $5.99, everyone. All right, everyone, those are all the pattern sales that are happening now. So go ahead and get your wish list for the vintage patterns for Simplicity, McCall's, and Butterick, and Vogue, and head on over to simplicity.com to get in on those vintage patterns along with those craft patterns, and if you're interested, the new look patterns. Thank you all so much for watching. My motto is keep trying until you get it right, Denise the Sloth Sewist. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to leave your girl thumbs up if you like this video so that YouTube can push it out to others within the sewing and crafting community. Thank you all. Y'all have an amazing day, night, weekend, or whatever time you're watching this video. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist. We'll see you all on the next one. Finally coming your way, the reveal of those turquoise pants. In addition to, so the reveal of these turquoise pants, the reveal of these beautiful pants, and my top. I had to make a top before I show you all the final reveal. All right, so stay tuned for that. coming your way this week. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.